How to save a video from Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can save a video from Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to save a video from Instagram directly, there is no any option that will allow you to do so. Normally if you're watching some kind of reels and then you just tap the three dots option here, you want to save the video. One way that you can save is this type of save, which is basically called saving to view later. But if you want to save them for offline mode, you will not be able to do so. But if you want to save them to watch later, you can just tap on this three dots, tap the save option. Now if you want to download it, now there isn't a direct way to download it. What I can actually recommend you do is simply screen record it if you want to view it later. So if you have a screen recorder on a device, all you have to do is just enable it. If you don't find it, make sure to enable it in your quick settings panel. Most likely it is going to be hidden there as well. So you can just go ahead and enable the screen recording filter there, and once you've done that, just look for the screen recorder option here, and once you begin your recording like this, you will be able to simply record this video with the audio itself, and then you can view them later if you'd like. This way you can basically save a video from Instagram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.